Hi, I'm Jess from Madden Crafts, and let's make a custom sweatshirt. I'm using the Grow in Your Own Way SVG. Instead of creating a full design on the front of my sweatshirt with this SVG, I wanted to create a pocket design. Pocket designs on adult shirts are generally about 4 inches by 4 inches. So I resized this SVG so that the longer of the two sides was 4 inches exactly. I designed this SVG so it could be cut out of 3 different kinds of vinyl, but for my project I'm only going to be using 2. I want to ungroup the 3 layers of the design and to weld together the tops and the bottoms of the mushrooms so they all cut out of the same type of vinyl. Now I can cut the mushrooms out of the glitter gold HTV and the lettering out of the olive electric HTV. You can cut these 2 mats using your cutting machine. Just make sure to mirror the design. It's not as crucial with the mushroom layer, but you absolutely have to mirror the lettering layer or it will come out backwards and you will be sad. When you are positioning a pocket design on a shirt, you want to draw an imaginary line down from the corner of the neck hole and from about the armpit area. Where those 2 lines intersect should be the center of your pocket design. So I'm positioning my HTV so that it is centered on the intersection of those 2 lines. I placed my cut and weeded electric HTV in position, and then I ironed it on using a pressing cloth when I was doing this layer. That is not necessary. The electric HTV is a warm peel vinyl, so as soon as the carrier sheet is cool enough to touch, you can peel that away, but don't get rid of that piece of plastic. We're going to be using it in just a minute. I positioned the glitter HTV mushrooms in the center of the lettering, and then I placed that carrier sheet that I saved back on top of the lettering to protect it from my heat press. Now I pressed the design according to the heat settings for that glitter HTV. The glitter HTV is also a warm peel vinyl, so as soon as you can touch that carrier sheet without burning your fingers, remove both of them to reveal your beautiful sweatshirt design. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Visit me on my blog, maddencrafts.com, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!